Welcome to Sayogini, and I hope you guys are doing well. So today is day 9 of our 21-day yoga habit series, and just in case if you have missed the earlier days, I'm going to link the whole playlist over here so you can start your yoga journey at any time. So today we will be practicing Malasana and few variations of it. This is going to help you to open up your hips, groins and your inner thighs. Basically the areas where we usually store our physical and emotional stress. If you're someone who feels stiffness in your hips, or if you sit for long hours, this will be a very good flow for you. So let's begin by settling into our breath. Get onto your mat and sit in cross-legged position. Keep your palms on your thighs. Slowly close your eyes. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Keep your back straight. Take deep breaths. And prepare yourself for today's practice. Keep breathing. Let the thoughts pass by. Be mindful of your posture. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Now, I want you to kneel down on your mat like this. Get onto your knees. And now make some distance between your knees and tuck your toes in. I'll show you what tuck your toes in means. So, tuck your toes in means like this. So, we will begin by kneeling down on our mat and then create some space in between your knees and tuck your toes in. You can take support of your hand by keeping it in front of you on the ground and slowly sit on your heels and take your hand back. Keep it on your thigh. Now, one by one, lift your knee up from the ground and stay here. Try to maintain your balance and keep breathing. Concentrate at a point in front of you so that it helps you to stay balanced on your toes. Keep breathing. If you are finding it difficult to balance, then you can keep your palms on the ground in front of you and stay here. Keep breathing. We'll stay here for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly keep your knees back on the mat and take your hips up and come back to kneeling down position. Now again, let's begin by kneeling down on the mat. Bring your palms forward. Keep it on the ground. Create some distance in between your knees. Tuck your toes in. Sit back on your heels and slowly, yes, tuck your toes in and then sit back on your heels. Slowly lift your knees up from the ground and keep your hands in front of you. Touch your palms on the ground for more support. Now slowly I want you to try to touch your heels on the ground. So slowly try to move back, back, back. You will be able to touch your heels on the ground. If you're not able to, then don't worry, do not force yourself and listen to your body. If you feel any kind of pain, then stop right there and do only as much as you can. You can also roll a blanket and keep it under your heels for support. And slowly try to create some more distance in between your hips and keep your feet diagonally, pointing diagonally outwards. Now slowly keep your elbows on the inner side of your knees and bring your hands in prayer. Keep your hands near to your chest and slightly try to press your elbows into your knees and lift your chest more. You can close your eyes here and feel the stretch in your hips. Feel the balance. Keep breathing. Lengthen your spine. We will stay here for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now gently open your eyes. Keep your palms on the ground. Now I want you to slowly try and rock your body from right, center, left, center, right. So just keep on shifting the weight of your body and rock your body from side to side. Try to not move your heels. Let your heels and your feet be intact on the ground so that your balance is maintained. And let's continue by rocking. Rock your body from side to side. Keep breathing. Be gentle with your body. Make slow movements. Enjoy the stretch. Slowly get back to center. Take 2 normal breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep your left palm on the ground. Slowly raise your right hand up towards the sky. Look at your fingertips and then stay here for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, slowly bring your hands down. We'll repeat the same on the other side. Inhaling, take your left hand up. Gaze at your fingertips. We'll stay here for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your hands down. We will repeat this 2 more times. Inhaling, take your hand up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your hand down. Inhaling, take your left hand up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your left hand down. Inhaling, take your right hand up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your right hand down. Inhaling, take your left hand up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your left hand down. Lengthen your spine in the center and keep breathing. Take 2 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly take your palms a bit more forward and try to lift your hips up and point your toes forward. Slowly try to walk with your hands back and slowly roll back into standing position. After standing, I want you to shake your leg one by one like this. Shake your left leg. Again, shake your right leg. Shake your left leg. Now slowly sit on the mat in cross leg position. Keep your back straight, hands on your thighs. Close your eyes, chin parallel to the ground. Keep breathing. Feel your body. Notice how your body feels. We will chant Om twice. Take a deep inhalation. Once more, take a deep inhalation. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you for your time and thank you for your practice. If you enjoyed this short flow, then please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and do share your experience in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.